Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the languages of Pakistan. As you know, language plays a very important role in building the culture of any society. It contains a lot of symbols, a lot of means or modes of communication through which we interact with other members of society. Pakistan is a multilingual country and it has a very rich cultural heritage that is being constructed through the use of languages. People from different ethnic identities live together and they speak majorly 6 languages as well as 57 minor or small languages. Urdu is considered our national language, as well as English is the lingua franca for our international communication. And English is also used as the medium of instruction or medium of communication for in higher educational institutions for the higher education. And majorly, as you know that we have the 5 major regional languages which are considered Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi, and Kashmiri. These languages have a great contribution in Pakistani culture through rich literature, poetry, art, music, songs, and spiritual quotes, as well as respective saints or the poets. Regional languages are distinct from each other based on their unique vocabulary, unique form of communication, as well as expression of thoughts. When it comes to the distinction of these ethnic languages based on how many people speak these languages, here is a graphical presentation of the way people are distributed based on their language of communication. As you can see, 52% of Pakistanis are based on Punjabi ethnicity, where almost 40% of Pakistani people speak Punjabi. As we see that Pashtun region contains the 13%, Sindhis are 11%, and Urdu speaking as well we have 7.5%, and then Balochi 4.3%, and 10% or 10.7% people are having so many different minor languages to be spoken in Pakistan.